Replace the ignition coils on my SV735 Kohler Courage engine with the Kohler MDI module conversion kit. Ran perfectly for hour and a half, put tractor away. Next morning won't start. No spark at either cylinder. Replaced ignition switch, still no spark. Engine in Craftsman DGS 6500. Also put new spark plugs in.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Are the new coils the single kill wire style? If so, remove the kill wires from coils and check for spark. The kill wire may be shorted and is killing the spark.
Tried that, still no spark. The opinion of the two people that have some expertise who looked at the engine is that the new coils both failed for some reason. They suggest replacing them. Any other suggestions? If not, I'll try replacing coils.
If they are the single wire coils, they have failed. This is usually from power being applied to the coils when engine is running. The kill wire to the coils should have no voltage. Check it for voltage before installing another set of coils.
Thanks.
Thank you. Please rate and accept to close the question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.